Are you ruining your health with these 6 morning mistakes? Good morning, everyone. Or is it really a good morning? The way you start your day can make or break your health, yet so many of us have morning habits that secretly sabotage our energy, digestion, and even our mood. Are you guilty of any of these? Let's find out. Stick around because I'm about to reveal some of the worst morning habits and what you should do instead to feel energized, focused, and healthier every day. Be honest, do you grab your phone before you even get out of bed? Social media, emails, news. BAM! Your brain is instantly in stress mode. This spikes your cortisol levels, making you feel overwhelmed before the day even begins. Try waiting at least 30 minutes before checking your phone. Use that time to stretch, breathe deeply, or simply enjoy a quiet moment to set a positive tone for your day. Coffee, the morning lifesaver, right? But did you know that drinking coffee on an empty stomach can increase stomach acid, leading to bloating, acid reflux, and even digestive issues? Not exactly the best way to start your day. Eat something first, even if it's just a banana or a handful of nuts. Or, if you must have coffee as soon as possible, add a splash of milk to reduce acidity. Breakfast isn't just a meal, it's your fuel. Skipping it can cause low energy, brain fog, and even lead to overeating later in the day. Your body needs nutrients after fasting all night. Don't have time for a full meal? No worries, a smoothie, yogurt with fruit, or a handful of almonds can do wonders. The goal is to give your body the energy it needs. We all love those extra 10 minutes, but snoozing actually makes you more tired. Each time you drift back to sleep, your body starts a new sleep cycle. But then bam! Your alarm goes off again, leaving you groggy and disoriented. Try setting your alarm for when you actually need to wake up. Even better, place your phone across the room so you have to get up to turn it off. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. And guess what? That morning headache, sluggishness, or even constipation could be because you forgot to drink water. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water or just plain water. It wakes up your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and gets your body ready for the day. Sitting all day is bad enough, but starting your morning with zero movement, that's a recipe for stiff muscles and sluggish circulation. Stretch for just 2 to 5 minutes. Even simple neck rolls, arm stretches, or a quick walk around your house can wake up your body and improve your posture. So which of these bad morning habits are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to start your mornings right, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, small changes in your morning routine can lead to big improvements in your health. See you in the next video.